Okay, I want to read this tweet. I saw this the other day. This guy is Sporadicalia, and I screenshotted it. So it's two tweets in a row. The first one blew up 2.5 million views when I clipped it off. There's probably more now, but he says, "I'm not going to lie. I kind of want the stock market to crash. Housing market too. F it. Let's even crash commodities while we're at it. I'm 27 and I have zero chance of ever owning a home. You think I give a single solitary F? I've been waiting to buy the dip since I was 15." That tweet blows up. Then he follows it up and he says, "If this goes viral, let it be known that I only kind of jokingly mean this. And also, I'm not that poor. And also, it's just the tiniest bit of me that wants to watch the world burn because boomers so viciously effed this economy, but also not really, because that would suck. Okay, thanks, bye," which I found kind of funny. And this guy says he's 27. But I think the reason it went viral is there's probably a ton of truth for people that age group. I was working with a couple dudes a couple years ago who were in their 20s, mid 20s, upper 20s, getting out of college, whatever it is. And they talked a lot, obviously, about the cost of rent, and inflation hits different when you can't look at any positive from the asset standpoint. If you are young, you probably had no benefit because you didn't own your home and you probably have no exposure to the market yet. So you've been hammered since COVID, absolutely hammered. And so I understand why, if you're like this dude or whoever, this is an anonymous account, but if you're a 27-year-old person, you're like, I want the stock market to crash. I can understand that. I'm not saying this for me. I don't want the stock market to crash. But for these people, they don't care right now about the stock market big picture, because what's most important to them? They want to be able to buy a house or a condo, whatever it is. They want rent to come down and they want grocery prices to come down. That's way more important to, I would say, I don't know if majority is the right word, but to a ton of Americans, they don't care nearly as much about the stock market as they do these interest rates coming down. And I think also the interest rates being so high, it really, really curbs people that want to take a risk, which is, forever the American dream was being able to take out a loan, usually to start something, whatever that is, whether that's your business, whether you want to buy a rental property, whatever that is. And pre-COVID, it was so easy to get money and money was so cheap. And now money's so expensive. And even if we're talking about the real estate market, the margins are now so slim that it's so much harder in that market. But I understand people like that, honestly, in a way, rooting for the stock market to crash. I get that, honestly.